Hello students. Now today we solve the question of definite integral. Question of definite integral. Now question I equal to 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x. Now we use the property number 5 in this question, that's equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx and equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x dx. देखो सबसे पहले हम प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5 का यूज कर लिए। प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5 का यूज करने के बाद इसमें tan a माइनस बी का फार्मूला लगा दिए। tan a माइनस बी का फार्मूला क्या है? tan a माइनस tan b अपॉन 1 प्लस tan a tan b। tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Now simplify that. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x dx and 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x dx. tan x cancel and I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. So equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus I and 2I equal to log 2 0 to pi by 4 dx. So log 2 x pi by 4 0 and pi by 4 log 2 and 2I. So I equal to pi by 8 log 2 pi by 8 log 2। क्लियर? देखो क्या है कि इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लिए। सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद tan x और tan x कट गया, ऊपर 2 आ गया, नीचे 1 प्लस tan x आ गया। इसको log की प्रॉपर्टी से इसे तोड़ दिए। ये टर्म जो है i है, इसे मैंने i लिख लिया, इसको लेफ्ट साइड में ट्रांसफर किया, ये हमारा 2i हो गया और ये log को कॉमन 0 to pi by 4 dx और इसे इंटीग्रेट कर लिया। सो द गिवन रिजल्ट i इक्वल टू pi by 8 log 2, pi by 8 log 2। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। जीरो टू टू इंटीग्रल 0 to 2 x अंडर रूट 2 माइनस x dx। देखो ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, इसमें प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5 का यूज करो। I इक्वल टू 0 to 2 माइनस x अंडर रूट 2 माइनस x dx। 0 to 2 माइनस x अंडर रूट x dx and 0 to 2x power 1 by 2 minus x power 3 by 2 dx and that's equal to 0 to 2 x power 1 by 3 dx minus x power 3 0 to 2 by 2 dx। Now I equal to 2 x power x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 2 to 0 minus x power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2। So 4 by 3 2 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 2 power 5 by 2 that's equal to 4 by 3 2 root 2 minus 2 by 5 4 under root 2। This is the required result. This is the required result. Okay. Next question. 0 to pi I equal to 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. 1 plus x upon 1 plus x sin 1 plus sin x dx. Now use the property number 5. 0 to pi minus x 1 plus sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x. 0 to pi minus x 1 plus sin x. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta. Sin pi minus x sin x. First, second, add first and second. We get 2i equal to 0 to pi upon 1 plus sin x dx. 0 to pi upon sin x dx. Clear? Now I equal to 2i equal to 0 to pi common 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Clear? Now change the limit through 2i equal to twice time 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Clear? 2 cancel. I equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x dx. And pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. And that's equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This is the formula of 1 plus cos x. And pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sec square x by 2 dx. Clear? And the I equal to pi by 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 pi by 2 0. So 2 pi upon 2 equal to 10 pi by 4 minus tan 0. That pi 1 minus 0, that is equal to pi. So the given required result is equal to the pi. Clear? Next, zero to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. Now we apply the property number 5. 0 to pi log 1 plus cos pi minus x dx first, and 0 to pi log 1 minus cos x dx. That is number 2. Add 2i 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x plus log 1 minus cos x dx, and 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x dx. 0 to pi log 1 minus cos square x dx. 2i equal to 0 to pi 2 log sin square x dx, and 2 0 to pi log sin x dx. Log sin x dx, and log sin x, the value of log sin x minus 2 pi by 2 log 2 pi by 2 log 2. Clear? Once 1 minute. Two to cancel. I equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, and 2 times minus pi by 2 log 2, that's equal to minus pi log 2. This is the required result of definite integral. Clear? Thank you.